Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to make or how to create an insta reels by iOS or iPhone. So yeah, I already have my Instagram account open on my phone, and the things we're gonna do is just goes into this profile, this downside here, and click it. And then if you can see, there are like plus button on the right upper corner here, and also at the downside here. It's just the same, sorry. Either you want to use this or this, but for me, let's try this to show you. And then there are several options that we can choose. Either we want to make reel, post, story highlight, live, or guide. Since we want to create the reels, just go into the reels features, and then we can choose as well. Either we want to make it directly by our camera, or we want to uploading the draft that we saved before, or we want to use a template, and many more. If you already have your video, just goes into the videos that you have, just scroll and choose which videos that you want to upload on your reels. Okay, for me, I want to have this one as a reels. Okay, it sounds a little bit flat, so let's have an audio. I click this audio sections, and then we can choose whatever you want to have for either reels. You can scroll down to find out the music that you want, or you can type and search what music that you want to use on your reels. For me, I just want to use this since this music is quite popular these days. So after deciding the music that you want to have on these reels, and now just click next on the upper right here, right, and then click next again on the downside. Now you can type the caption that you want to have for your reels, and after you're done, just click OK. Just click OK, and then go into the share button down there here, and wait until the reels is completely uploaded into your Instagram account. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.